Hello traders, welcome to Price Action Real Traders. So today I'm going to show you how to trade with candlestick analysis. Today is another new video on how to trade with candlestick analysis. So before we start, the risk warning. Your capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money that you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not an investment advice. So here we are in consolidation area. Yes, if I get lower entry point, I will place call option. I will place call option low. Yes, I place call option anyway, because here I know market must break this 20 MA. That's why I place my trade call option, because I'm trying to enter at this level. I know market is not coming down, so anyway I place my trade call option here, because this bias has already conquered this area. So I know definitely market must close above my entry point. See, this is winning trade. So let's check again the same pair, because it's going so nice, but I'm late. I would have placed my trade call option again. Yes, market is not coming down. Market is too strong. This round number is strong as well here. Yes, I place call option again, even though I have 1, 2, 3 white soldiers, but the momentum, market must break this level. Let me pause. I'm coming. So yes, I'm back. This is another winning trade. So you see strong bias entry. So let's check another one, but market is trying to reverse. You see reversal pattern, engulfing candle from Bollinger Band. But it has touched this trend line. It has touched the trend line and rejected, and but no any so I will wait maybe for the confirmation. If this candle is red candle, so I will go with sellers again, because here is tricky. It may reverse because of this trend line here. Market may reverse because of this. Yes, market may reverse, and this, yes. So now it's confirmed that sellers, it's confirmed. Yes, it's confirmed. It's confirmed. Yes, I will go with sellers, even though this one is strong, but it's confirmed that sellers must enter again, because this is the channel. If you draw it from here, yes, This is the next level here. This is the level, so I know definitely it will close below my entry point. This is the level. Here is the next level, so I know market will not reverse from here. To must create red candle from this level, or it will close below my entry point. You see, it's trying to create red candle. I know, you see, this is the level, so maybe now market will reverse from here. So this is the end of this trading. This is the end of this video. I took total 3 trades, all are winning trades in one pair. Let me explain. First of all, the first trade here, you see, because of this, see the movement of the market. So here I can see reversal pattern, this hammer engulfing, and this hammer has strong wick, conquer all this area, and the wick has broken the 20 MA. So that's why I know I took my trade here anyhow without any entry point, because this wick has conquered all this area. So I know definitely this candle must break this wick with the determination. So that's why I just place my trade here anyhow without any waiting for good entry point. I just place it here, and you see it's winning trade. So on the next trade here, you see I place call here again because of this strong candle. This candle is strong candle, even though there are 3 white soldiers, 1 2 3 white soldiers. So I just place my trade option because I look at this area, I can see red candle, 4 red candles. If I see 3 red candles at this area, so I will not place my trade here, because you see 1 2 3 green candles. You see 1 candle retracement, 1 candle retracement. So that's why if I see 1 2 3 red candles, so I will not place my trade here. I know it may reverse, that's why I place my trade immediately. And the candle here is very strong candle, so that's why I place trade here. So I force somebody knock the door, I would have placed another call here, but when I come back, I see this pattern here. Market created engulfing candle here. So after this engulfing candle, but it's rejected from this 20 MA, so it may create retracement candle. That's why I didn't place my trade immediately. So but after this red candle, strong candle, I know market will go down to this level, this channel, at least to this channel here. So that's why when I get chance here, opportunity, I just place my trade put option at this level. You see, after market reaches level, then retrace back, you see another seller's entry, you see buyer's entry. So now maybe market is reversing again. So this is the end of this video. If you like this video, please like it. If you didn't subscribe my channel, please subscribe, share and comment. I will say thank you. Bye bye.